I have a single handle Gerber shower valve that is leaking and I need to replace the cartridge. The valve allows you to change the water temp by rotating, and the pressure by pulling out on the handle. I tried to remove the handle to get at the cartridge, but even though the single Phillips head screw is out as far as it will go, the handle will not come off. Easily anyway. I don't want to force it. Please advise on this procedure plus getting cartridge out easily. Thank you.
Welcome, my name is XXXXX I will do my best to help with your issue. Okay, it sounds like you have a Moen, not a Gerber valve. Moen is the only valve I know of that has the valve action you describe. If you can't get the handle off, you need a handle puller. Here are step-by-step instruction from Moen to change the cartridge. These instructions are for every variation, so you'll need to use the one that applies to your valve, but they're all basically the same. http:/www.moen.com/consumer support/installation help/tutorial. It = Moen 0133.
The faceplate onto which the handle is attached says Gerber. The designs of the handle and faceplate are the same. I ordered the unit about 8 to 9 years ago from a plumbing supply house and it has never been touched. Do you still think that they put in a Moen cartridge?
The action you describe is unique to Moen. It's possible that Moen might have made this valve for Gerber. I just checked all the available Gerber shower valve repair parts and none of the single handle cartridges would have this valve action. Once you remove the handle, it will be easier to determine if this is indeed a relabeled Moen product. Get back to me when you get the handle off and we can proceed from there.
I was able to get the handle off. I attach a picture of the cartridge which rotates up and down to vary pressure. I have not been able to locate anything on the web that indicates how I should go about this.
You remove this cartridge by grabbing the stem with a pair of channel lock pliers and pull it straight out. To install the new one, you just push it straight in until the ears on the retention ring engage/grab the valve body. This is a Gerber valve. Your original description sounded like you were describing a Moen valve. Of course you would turn the water off first. Don't attempt this until you have a replacement. Go to a plumbing supply house that sells Gerber for parts. They can confirm my recollection that there is just one style Gerber cartridge of this vintage RIC 41483.62485903994.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.